The Tech at PCC Panther track is for students who want to improve their technology skills and access support or training. This track is especially recommended for students who are new to the college or planning to take a class in the future. You can find this track and all Panther tracks by clicking on the Resources tab on the PCC website, or go directly to the Tech at PCC track by visiting pcc.edu/tech@pcc. You can use the navigation links on the side of the page to explore the content of this track, or click the links at the bottom of each page. In this track, you will learn about the tools you should regularly use as a PCC student to stay connected, informed, and complete your schoolwork. You will also find resources to help you improve your basic computer skills in ways that will help you to be a successful student. The training page will help you improve your digital literacy skills and find training to boost your confidence in a variety of technology skills. You will even find information about what kinds of devices, internet connections, and applications are recommended for students, and how to find the best deals and financial support if needed. Finally, don't forget that we're here to help. Whether you need help in person, by phone, or online, PCC has a number of services and staff members ready to support you.